This week's Take It Make It is candy corn. You will have the option to make either a plain candy corn or you can add a face to it to make it a jack-o'-lantern candy corn. Inside the kit that you pick up from the library, you'll find the instructions, a white triangle, the yellow and orange stripes, and then there will also be some black cutouts that you can use for the face. The only supply that you'll need to have from home is glue. You can use either a glue stick or a bottle of glue. Either one is fine. So it's really simple to put this one together. You'll want to take your triangle and put the narrow end at the top. The orange piece is going to go on the bottom like this. So we're just going to glue that on. Like this, and you'll want to match it up as close to the bottom as you can. The yellow piece is going to go right on top of that. Just like this. So you can either be done with it now, or if you want to add the face, you can go ahead and glue the eyes on. Your kit will come with 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth. You could also cut out your own shapes if you wanted to do your own shapes for them. There you go, easy as that. And you have a really cute Halloween themed candy corn.